Okay, guys, good morning. Welcome to the London session, Wednesday, the 21st of February. So, as we always do, every morning we always look through the news because if we don't know the news and then we don't know what's going to happen in the market. So, if we take a look at the news here, we can clearly see that we have Fed Bowman speech at 1800, FOMC minutes at 1900. So later on is going to be a little bit crazy. It's going to be a little bit chaotic around 1800, 1900. Before that, really relaxed. Got a Fed Bostic speech, so hopefully we can get a trade before this and then be out when this happens. So that's the goal. If we do see a really good trade, we might take it. But we need to be wary that 1900 things are probably going to get messy. So if we look at the daily here on the US 100, yesterday did move down, but where are we? We're still at this level of support here. So this could still move up if it breaks this level, and then we have a new downtrend. If it bounces, and then obviously we're still in the uptrend. So today, potentially, we have the daily close here, which is also the daily open. Potentially, we have a trade to the upside here today. Again, beautiful level of support. We was unable to break past that yesterday. So today looks pretty much like this. If we can break above this close or anything bullish that breaks above the Asia range, which is here, boom, down to here. Anything that breaks above that will be a really good long to the upside. So US 100, still looking for longs to the upside. Hopefully today we'll see buy pressure come in at this key level. US 30, if we take a look at this. So US 30 is a little bit harder. Again, if you look at the daily, it is still bullish. Even though it's broke this minor level, it is still bullish because we still have higher highs, we still have higher lows. We do have another area of buy pressure, which this could come to, which is this daily pin here. A little bit of buy pressure. Do we have buy pressure throughout, though? Let's take a look. We have a little bit of buy pressure here. We have some daily closes there as well. So that does make sense. And obviously we've got the high there. So we do have a few bounces off this level. 1, 2, 3 at this moment in time, maybe a fourth. Again, anything that goes above the daily close will be incredible, or above the Asia range. So the long will look pretty much something like this. Stop loss just below this level here. And that'll be our trade. Still bullish on US 30 and US 100, basically. Let's take a look at gold now. Okay, so gold is coming up to the level that I would like it to see buy pressure. It's coming up to that level. If we take a look at the fundamentals, the short-term fundamentals are that gold is weaker than the US dollar, which is good because it's going to hit that level. All we're looking for is medium term to the upside. So yeah, that's still to the upside. Long term is still to the upside. Okay, so that's good for our trade. Long term and medium term to the upside. Short term to the downside, which means that we're probably going to hit this level before seeing buy pressure. So still the exact same setup. We haven't seen anything here as of yet this week. So just keep an eye on gold for today. If it hits the 2024 level, 2023, then that's when we'll be looking for longs. Gravis prime against the yen now. Okay, so that literally moved super duper quick. There was no way of getting that trade to the upside there at 1300 when the news come out. There is a nice level here though. So obviously we've seen bounces here. We've seen a lot of buy pressure here. We can get rid of this. Moving to the upside, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Testing these right now. So pretty much Looking for a buy here. Stop loss will be just below this level here. Look, probably going to break a little bit below. Look for a bullish engulfing candle. Wait for the Great British Pound to be stronger than the yen, which I think it might be weaker at this moment in time, which is minus 6.3 to positive 4.4. So no buy yet. Don't buy this yet. Wait until you get a bullish signal and the fundamentals are in your direction. Just for the fun of it, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, it is moving down. Again, until it hits 50,000, I'm not really interested. Not really interested, to be fair. Great British Pound against US dollar. Okay, so this for the daily. Huge pin bar yesterday with that news. Today, probably going to move to the downside. So what is this? Minus 2.6 to positive 5.5. Very much to the downside on the Great British Pound against the US dollar today. As it broke the structure, kind of, there is a level here. We have broken below. Whoops. Get rid of that. What was that? Oh, people talking about it. Didn't even know that TradingView had that. So there is an uptrend here. Wait for this to be broken. You can go for the short at the break or on the retest. So looking for a break, minor retest, and then a move to the downside on this. So Great Pound against US dollar, basically the same as this here. Move, exhaustion, continue move, stop loss just above here. Would have nearly got tapped out there before it moved down. Literally exactly the same on that. The euro against USD. Now the euro against USD is broken above this level. So now it's looking like this could be a long. Take a look at the daily yesterday. So the daily was a pin bar. We have now made a higher high. Higher high and a higher low. Now this downtrend. See this? Lower low, low high, lower low, low high, lower low. Higher high now, higher low. What's the euro against USD? So at the moment, the euro is minus 6.6. USD is positive 5.6. Okay, fair enough. On the 1 hour, we need to be looking for a move to the upside. So where is going to be our TP? Our TP is probably going to be the top of here. So you're looking for something bullish. Obviously, fundamentals to be to the upside as well. You want to be out before FOMC minutes. Sometimes it does move. Well, sometimes it doesn't move the market at all. Sometimes it really moves the market. So there we go. That's what you're looking for on the Euro USD. I've noticed that quite a few people have just joined. So if you do want me to go over anything again, just put it in the chat room. Good morning, Jimmy. I'm going to guess US 100. I'll just put it up here. So we're still looking for longs if it breaks the Asia range today. Obviously, it could just fall, but that's absolutely fine. But we haven't broke below the weekly zone here, which is a major level of buy pressure. So yeah, guys, if you want me to go over anything again, if you miss anything, just type it in. I think gold could be pretty good today. Pretty good. Okay, it looks like no one wants me to go over anything, which is fantastic. Obviously, you all know it. Can you do gold? Okay, Jimmy. Okay, cool. Yeah, so gold, Jimmy, I mean, we're looking for a longer 2024, 2023. Literally waiting for this to touch this level and then fundamentals to move to the upside. So gold at this moment in time is down minus 0.4 to positive 5, hence why it's moving down to the key level, which is what we want. Once it hits that level, we'll look for the move to the upside. Yeah, bullish engulfing, and also we need fundamentals to be to the upside. So short-term fundamentals right now are to the downside. But when it touches this level, buyers might come in, and then we see a move to the upside there. So there we go, Jimmy. That is gold for you. Could be nice. Yeah, it could. Really good. It is looking good. US 100 is looking good. Just need to make sure that we're out before FOMC minutes. This thing here. That drastically thing there. So yeah, guys, that is it. I'm guessing that no one has any more questions. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you to Tobias, Tim, Caesar, Pauline, Mo. Wait, let me scroll up. Jimmy, James, Etch, and iPhone. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. I hope that you all learned something, and I shall see you later on for live trading. Take care, guys. Have a great day at work or whatever you're doing. Bye bye.